Hello foodies! Welcome back to Svethanika the Kitchen. Today we are here with another interesting recipe. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel. Today's recipe is bell pepper tomato chutney in mortar and pestle or bunga mirapakayalu tamata rotipachadi. Chutney or rotipachadi is a staple food in every household of Telugu states. My grandmother, she used to make a variety of combinations with almost all vegetables. Traditionally, chutneys are made in mortar and pestle. The texture and flavor of chutney made in mortar and pestle is amazing when compared to blender. My family loves chutneys made in mortar and pestle. Let's check the ingredients for bell pepper tomato chutney. Bell peppers, tomato, green chillies, cooking oil, salt, cumin seeds, garlic cloves and tamarind. Without wasting time, let's get into the procedure. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add diced bell peppers. Diced tomato, and salt as per taste. Adding salt here helps in cooking vegetables quickly. Saute for 30 seconds. Let it cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's slit our green chillies. Add slit green chillies. This way, chillies will not pop. Saute well for 30 seconds and close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Open lid and mix everything properly. Tomatoes and bell peppers are almost cooked. You can see the oil start oozing out. Let it cook on medium heat. Add garlic cloves and tamarind slice. We can use them raw directly while grinding. I prefer to cook them. This makes them grind easily while pounding. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds and mix everything properly. Our vegetables are well cooked now. We can turn off the stove. Transfer everything into a mortar and pestle. We can grind it directly when it is hot in mortar and pestle. If you are using blender, let the mixture cool down and then blend to avoid accidents. Now let's start grinding slowly. Pound all big chunks first and then slowly start grinding. See how all the vegetables are blending properly while pounding. Adjust salt if needed. Now the chutney is ready. Look at the texture of chutney. If you want similar texture in blender, pulse it for 3 to 4 times. You can get the texture similar to mortar and pestle. Enjoy this chutney or rotipachadi with a dollop of ghee in a hot rice. This is a great side dish for dosa, upma, vada, idli and roti. Add your recipe requests in comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.